The ketogenic diet was first known as a therapy for epilepsy in the 1920s and 30s. But data about it proving effective for autism, type 2 diabetes, weight loss and other disorders have been emerging because it is also being explored for other uses. The keto diet's popularity has increased worldwide and is considered one of the most popular diets by experts. It seems like everybody is trying the trend as thousands have shown their transformation. Even celebrities and fitness enthusiasts swore by how effective the diet is. No wonder various recipes are flooding the web and different books have been published as well. The keto diet involves reducing carbohydrate intake and upping fat intake. This forces the body to use a different kind of fuel. Instead of relying on sugar that comes from carbohydrates, it burns fat as fuel. This means you should avoid foods that are much higher in carbs, like rice, bread, donut, cakes, and pasta, and should focus on eating meat, eggs, and vegetables growing above ground. Now, this may feel like a form of deprivation, especially that the mentioned foods above that you should avoid are considered as comfort foods, foods that are consumed to reward yourself or to just make you feel better. Now imagine giving up bread or desserts just because it is against the keto diet plan. Is it worth to give up that happy intoxication you get right after taking that first bite of bread or that delicious dessert you have always been craving for? Are you willing to surrender those yummy treats just so it will not add inches to your waistline? What if there is a way to follow the keto diet while enjoying all your favorite breads and desserts too? The keto diet is truly popular because they work. It is a powerful tool for weight loss and can also provide you with major health benefits. Now think for a second that you can achieve your dream body and still enjoy freshly baked breads and newly prepared desserts. It is possible. There are healthy keto-friendly bread and desserts that you can have, thanks to Kelly Herring, who authored Keto Breads and Keto Desserts, who formulated recipes perfect for keto diet. Kelly Herring's educational background in nutritional biochemistry, and she opened Healing Gourmet many years ago. She became a nutrition expert but not before being extremely sick and made changes to her diet because even after consulting a dozen doctors, she still felt like giving up the idea of getting better. She promised never to take her body for granted again, becoming strict with her food intakes, but at the same time, she was missing the foods she used to love and enjoy. That is why she made it her mission to create nourishing and healthy recipes that taste just like the real thing. The books she made were fruits of years and years of trial and error. And she succeeded because people from around the world informed her how they were enjoying bread and desserts without worrying about unhealthy ingredients. Aside from feasting your eyes on Kelly's creations, rejoice on the following benefits that can make you say yes to keto breads and keto desserts. The good points. 1. Oftentimes, healthy food produces bland tastes, but with the recipes in Herring's books, you are sure to get delicious bread and desserts just like the real thing because it was created with your satisfaction in mind. 2. The books offer a complete baking program with high-quality photos and super easy instructions. Even those who are not used to baking can use these recipes to their full potential. 3. Recipes went through elaborate trial and error method and were tasted to perfection. You are almost certain that you can get results as shown in the photos, and you will be very proud to let your family taste the finished product because the author itself refused to settle for anything less than extraordinary taste. 4. The books actually care for you, taking into consideration those who have food allergies, providing healthy substitutes for an egg, nuts, and dairy. 5. The author understands how you are strictly following a diet plan that you need to track your nutrition. The books make it easier for you with its complete nutrition information, macronutrient ratios and net carbs per serving. So even if you enjoy buttery bread and sweet desserts, you will still be on the ketosis state. 6. The recipes are all healthy versions of your classic comfort foods, so you are sure that the ingredients used are natural, keto-friendly and healthy. 7. Both books have digital and physical versions and offer 100% satisfaction money-back guarantee. You can try and enjoy the recipes and take time doing it, but if you are unhappy for any reason, just let the author know within 60 days and you will have your money back. Should you get it? You don't have to choose between eating healthy or eating delicious food. Now, you can strictly follow a diet plan and still enjoy the foods you like. You will never feel deprived again because you can bake delicious bread and desserts anytime you want, bread and desserts that have healthy ingredients that you don't have to worry about getting fat. These recipes even help and motivate you to remain loyal to your diet because you still get to enjoy the foods you love. So if you don't want to punish yourself by avoiding the foods that make you happy, you must get it. Not only are you sure about the food is healthy and nutritious, but you can also be sure that they are delicious. Get them now and start keto baking towards a healthy life. The product purchase link is given in the description.